Is right for the third race. 1350 metres the distance. Light switched on. They're set to go. Hearts On just a little toey. Catches them now, they're racing, and Captain's Angel came out 2 lengths behind them. Red Wayne, Kitty Soft Paws fast away. Mashania Lobo showing good early speed, and there's the favourite Hearts On driving through to be on the rail just behind the leading division. Valpini in that bunch as well. A couple of lengths away, Captain's Angel, followed by Dangerous Desire, and the grey Mashani Silver settles down in last position. Mashania Lobo copping some heat in the middle part of the race from Kitty Soft Paws. Racing third, Hearts On with the run of the race. Valpini fourth the outside. 2 to Captain's Angel, a length Red Wayne. 1 Mashani Silver and 3/4 to Dangerous Desire. 6 lengths off the lead. Heading by the 600 metres, Mashani Lobo in control. Ran the first 750 in 45.18. Leads to the turn from Kitty Soft Paws. Hearts On has had a beaut run. Just needs some room to move. Valpini under pressure. Captain's Angel on the way forward. And then a fair margin to Mashani Silver, Dangerous Desire and Red Wayne not performing today. Hearts On got out immediately challenged and headed Mashani Lobo and is looking pretty good. Captain's Angel peaking on its run. Mashani Silver making round on the rail for a place. Then Dangerous Desire, but it's Hearts On stretching clear, and Hearts On was way too good for them. Hearts On beat home Mashani Silver. Third over the line, Dangerous Desire. Fourth, Mashani Lobo. Then Kitty Soft Paws, followed by Captain's Angel, Valpini, and Red Wayne wasn't affected today. Ran last at a time of 1:21. Hearts On the winner. Had a good run. Capitalised on it by stretching clear in the straight to win easily. 3 Hearts On, Ryan Wiggins first. Mashani Silver, number 9. Jeff Lloyd will be second, and third is 6. Dangerous Desire, Glenn Collis. And 2 was fourth, Mashani Lobo. 3962 the result. 121 the time. 121 the gallop. 45.18 the first 750. Home in 35.79.
The placings. Here's Michael Leary from the Rob Heathcote stable. Well done. There was good support to suggest he'd run well, and that's exactly what he did.
Yeah, we always had a nice opinion of this horse. It was a really good run first up and a good Saturday race. Wiggo's always liked the horse as well, which was good.
I guess that was a bit of a giveaway, wasn't it, when Rob did start him in that open 3-year-old race?
Yeah, his jump outs and trials leading up to that race was really good. Like I said, we've always liked him from day one.
And you'd have been happy in the run?
Yeah, those good alleys make a difference, don't they?
Now, how's Buff going? What's the latest with him?
Yeah, he's going great. I spoke to Melanie this morning. He's spot on.
Has he gone to Hong Kong as yet? Is he in quarantine there?
Yeah, he's in Hong Kong in quarantine, but he's still working and everything, so yeah.
All right, well, that's good. Well done. You've got a winner today.
Yeah, good start to the day.
Okay. Congratulations. So, Hearts On getting the money. The 2-year-old gelding by Shower Heart from an honours list mare called Crystal Honour. And did go well enough on that Saturday in that Spot the Diff race to suggest that he, in a bit of a drop in grade back to a maiden today, was going to be very hard to beat, and he was. Well handled there by Ryan Wiggins. Of the others, Mashani Silver picked up second placing, and then Dangerous Desire. Now then fourth over to Mashani Lobo, who was out of the gates pretty quickly today. Just the 2-year-olds, and then we see the 3-year-olds lining up in the Guineas there on Saturday. We'll catch up with Ryan Wiggins in a few moments' time. Just let him go in and weigh in after getting the bickies on Hearts On. He rode this 2-year-old gelding by Shower Heart when he had his first start 2 weeks ago. On that occasion, he was only beaten 3.3 lengths. So I guess, Ryan, you rode him the other day. You knew what you were dealing with today.
Yeah, obviously, and I've sat on him track work, and I was lucky enough to ride his mum too when Rob had his mum. So he's a really nice horse and progression horse too. So I think today was just a bit of a stepping stone for him, and hopefully there's more to come.
He always travelled strongly, didn't he?
He's always travelling nice, and like we're going from 1,000 up to the 1350 today, but I wasn't too worried. His mum got up to a mile plus, so he's still learning his trade. But once he learns what to do, he'll be a nice horse.
Just quickly tell us a little bit more about Mum Crystal Honour.
Yeah, look, Rob had her, and she won a couple of nice 2-year-old and 3-year-old races, and I think even at one time there she was favourite for the Oaks that year. So she had an injury and she had to go to stud obviously, and this is one of her prodigies. So
she's doing well at stud. Well done.
Thank you.
There he is, Ryan Wiggins. So the placings here after the third, 3.962. The time for the 13.50 was 1 minute 21. Winning margin 2.5, so he bolted in 2.5, a short neck, 1 1/4. Back to Warwick Farm soon.